Hello friends, welcome to another video on how engineers do it, and today I'm going to show you a really useful and a quick tip which you can accomplish so easily, but it adds you a lot of value into your work when you're especially working on large data sets. So over here on the left you can see a table with the name, age, gender and city, and on the right side is our work table which we're going to be working on, and you can see that the different cities are mentioned over here. And what I would like to accomplish first of all is to list down the different names of the people who are from those cities. Right now, usually what's the way that we're going to be doing it? We're going to be filtering this and then filter for the city, and then take those names and move it over, or copy it over here, right? And if you're going to be doing that for different cities, that's going to take a while. Now I'll add a little bit of complexity into that. What if I also want those people to be a specific gender, right? Those people to be female, right? Now that's going to add additional step, and you'll have to do that individually for each cities. Now there is an easy way to do this, and that's by using the filter formula. I'm just going to show you how you can use it. Now you can use the people, and now you got to select or show Excel the names that you really want, the area that you really want to work on, and put the comma button and come back here, and in the include, what you need really is this array, and then you gotta go for equals, and then what do you need to filter it based on? That's the city name, right? Now this is all that you really need, and if you click on the close, you can see that the name is getting spelled out, right? Now there are like 49 people from the city New York, right? Now what if I want to again add a little bit of complexity? That is, now I'm going to be also filtering it for female. Now in order to do this, what you need is you gotta cover this, the bracket, and use the multiplied symbol and open the bracket, and then you're going to select the filtering field that you want to filter, and then equals, and then you type in the female, and then close braces, right? Now once you do this, you can see that the number of people is smaller because the people who are female is smaller in this group, right? Now what if I want to do this again over here, here and here, right? You're not going to be doing all this manually, but that's again going to take time. So what you can do is you can you can lock these selections, right? But this is not going to change, even this is not going to change, even this is not going to change, right? So the only thing that changes or moves is G1, H1. So I'm not going to freeze this, and just going to close it. And now if you just drag this towards the right, you can see that all these names are filled, right? Now that's going to save a lot of time, especially when you're working on large data set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. And if you also would like to get the file, then comment below the word file, and I'm going to send this file individually to whoever is asking for it. Thank you. Bye.